આપણે થિયરી સેકન્ડ ચેપ્ટરની બધી પૂરી થઈ ગઈ, એટલે હવે ઇલિસ્ટ્રેશન લઈએ. અને ઇલિસ્ટ્રેશન લેવાની શરૂઆત કરું એ પહેલાં થોડા ફોર્મ્યુલાની ડિસ્કશન આપણે કરી લઈશું. તો સૌથી પહેલાં આપણે પોટેન્શિયલ V is equal to KQ upon R अथवा और V is equal to KQ upon 4 pi epsilon 0 R. આ આપણી પાસે આવ્યો. નંબર 2, again V is equal to E into D. આ પણ એનું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે. ત્રીજું, પોટેન્શિયલ એનર્જીની વાત કરીએ. જેમ જેમ નવા ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન આવશે એમ આપણે નવી ફોર્મ્યુલાની ડિસ્કશન કરીશું કે Q1 Q2 upon R અને ફોર્થ નંબર U is equal to Q into V. तो આ ફોર્મ્યુલા ઉપર ડિપેન્ડન્ટ આપણે એકાદ બે ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ ઇલસ્ટ્રેશન જ્યાં જો મોટા ભાગે હું ઇલસ્ટ્રેશનમાં વેલ્યુઝ લખીશ, એક્સપ્લેનેશન આપીશ, ફોર્મ્યુલા લખીશ, કેલ્ક્યુલેશન તમારા માટે છોડી દઈશ. એ તમારે જાતે ટ્રાય કરવાનો, ના આવે તો મને પૂછવાનું. એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 2.1, calculate the potential at a point P due to charge 4 into 10 raised to minus illustration number 2.1, and charge is present over here 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb and located 9 centimeter away. That means R is equal to 9 centimeter. So it is converted into meter like this: 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay, you got this value. So now you can see here V is equal to KQ upon R. Beta, you have value of K is equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 SI. So apply the values, you will get the result. Second, B, hence obtain the work done in bringing a charge of 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. You have a charge Q dash, that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb, and this charge is bringing from infinite to the point P. આ પોઈન્ટ P એવું છે કે જ્યાં આગળ આપણે પોટેન્શિયલ ફાઇન્ડ કર્યું આવી. તો that means you have to bring in and this another charge from infinite distance to the given point. So you have to do some kind of work, and that work is here presenting our potential energy of charge Q dash at this point. Okay, so now Q dash V. So here Q dash is this, and V, you will find this V from here, and now you will get the result in Joule. So please try yourself, and if you have any kind of problem, then you can call me. Now we are going to move for the second one. Example number 2.2. Two charges 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb and minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb are located 15 centimeter apart. At what point on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential 0? That means you have two charges. Illustration number 2.2. Here you have positive charge Q1 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb, and here you have negative charge Q2, and that is minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb, and the distance between these two are 15 centimeter. So you have to find out a point at where the resultant potential is 0. That means let us considering a point P is x centimeter from Q1, and so 15 minus x centimeter is away from the negative charge. मतलब આપણે એક ને આ બાજુનો પોર્શન છે અને x કન્સિડર કરીએ તો આખામાંથી આપણે x માઈનસ કરું કેટલો આ પાછળનો ભાગ રહે. તો હવે આ મારી પાસે બની ગયું r1 અને આ બની ગયું r2. ઓકે, q1 r1 q2 r2. તો રિઝલ્ટન્ટ પોટેન્શિયલ ઇઝ 0. પણ આ રિઝલ્ટન્ટ પોટેન્શિયલ કોનું V1 plus V2 is equal to 0. But V1 so KQ1 upon R1 plus KQ2 upon R2 is equal to 0. तो आमाથી K कॉमन निकली जाए. So Q1 upon R1 plus Q2 upon R2 is equal to 0. Beta Q1 that means 3 into 10 raised to minus 8, and here x plus ની જગ્યાએ minus. Why? Because 2 minus એટલે upon 15 minus x is equal to 0. Once again 10 raised to minus 8 is common. तो आपकी पास रहेगा 3 upon x minus 2 upon 15 minus x is equal to 0. तो હવે આ માઈનસ છે ને બીજી બાજુ લઈ જાઓ. 3 upon x is equal to 2 upon 15 minus x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन आने આ બાજુ લઈ જાઓ અને આ બાજુ લઈ જાઓ. 3 ब्रैकेट में 15 minus x is equal to 2 into x. तो आप बड़ी वक्त आने मल्टीप्लाई करो. 45 minus आने जोड़े 3x आ जोड़े છે 2x minus 3x પેલી બાજુ જાય એટલે 45 2 અને આ માઈનસ આવ્યું એટલે 5. તો 45 is upon 5. So 9 centimeter away from positive charge. So at 9 centimeter you can find out the resultant potential is 0. Okay, now a very important, चलो illustration number 2.3 આપણે હમણાં નથી કરવું. 2.4 જોઈએ. વેરી મોસ્ટ ટાઈમ કે પેલું થિયરિકલ છે. 2.4 4 charges are arranged at corners of a square ABCD of side D as shown in figure 2.15. find the work required to put together this arrangement. And also a charge Q0 is brought to the center E of the square. The four charges being held fixed at its corner. How much extra work is needed to do this? So first of all, you have to find out the potential energy of the whole situation. See, you have here a square, and on this square, at first, here point A, and you are bringing positive Q charge plus Q charge from infinite distance. So there isn't anything is present over this vacuum area. અહીંયા આગળ કશું છે નહીં. So there is no need to do any kind of work. બરાબર? So for bringing plus Q at point A, so W1 is equal to 0. But beta, see, here you got plus Q charge over here. That means in surrounding area of this positive Q charge, electric field is present, and this is the distance is d. So at point B, you will find any kind of potential over here. So number 2, the potential at B due to plus Q charge, and that is, suppose V1 is equal to here plus Q and 4 pi epsilon 0 into D. So now here potential is present, and you want to take out bringing minus Q charge from infinite distance. So you have to do some kind of work. Now the work done for bringing minus Q charge from infinite distance, W2 is equal to minus Q, that is charge, and here V1. So W2 is equal to this minus, and this is V1 is here. So minus Q, and this one Q upon 4 pi. So the result is minus Q square 4 pi epsilon 0 d. This is your W2. Okay friends, so here we have W1 and W2. Now we are moving forward. Now at point C. Now in this area you have two charges, plus q and minus q. So number 3, the potential at C due to plus q and minus q. But the distance, see, distance from this to here is, you can understand, root 2d, because this is 90 degree and Pythagoras theorem. You know that this is right angle triangle, D and D, so that is root 2d. This is your result. So now V2 is equal to here q plus q, 4 pi epsilon 0 into root 2d, minus, this is negative charge, q 4 pi epsilon 0 into d. Here the distance is d and here the distance is root 2d. So your resultant V2 is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 d in bracket 1 upon root 2 minus 1. Okay, so this is V2, the potential at C due to these two charges. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ कुछ नहीं था, प्लस क्यू लाए, कोई वर्क नहीं किया, प्लस क्यू की वजह से यहाँ पर पोटेंशियल ये था, तो वर्क करना पड़ा हमें माइनस क्यू को लाने के लिए। अब हमारे पास दोनों हाजिर है, तो इसका पोटेंशियल ये होगा। नाउ वर्क डन टू ब्रिंग plus q at C is W3, and that is q and V2. So q in bracket q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 in bracket minus. So result is W3 q square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 1 upon root 2 minus 1. This is W3. Now we have the last thing at point B. So fourth number, the potential due to plus q minus q and plus q is V3. सबसे पहले इसकी बात डिस्टेंस दी, सो q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 d. Then after for B, same thing is root 2d. So minus q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 root 2d and plus q again for this, here plus q is present, so 4 pi epsilon 0 d. So you can see both are same. So what will happen? Here 2q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 d minus q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 root 2d. So the result is q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 d in bracket 2 upon 1 minus 1 upon root 2. This one is V3. But now work done. Now work done for bringing minus q at B, W4, minus q in bracket V3. So minus q q upon 4 pi epsilon 0 d in bracket 2 minus 1 upon root 2. So it is minus q square this is W4. So now last step, the total potential energy. U is equal to W1 plus W2 plus W3 plus W4. This is 0. Now W2 minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 into d. W3 plus q square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 in bracket 1 upon root 2 minus 1 and plus and minus q square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 in bracket 2 minus 1 upon root 2. So now take out q square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 d outside. Here minus 1 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. This minus will go inside plus 2 minus 2 and minus minus plus. So u is equal to q square upon 4 pi epsilon 0 d in bracket 1 and 1 2 times and here it is 4. So this is your result. U is equal to, this is the potential energy here. વિડિયો બહુ લાંબો થઈ ગયો છે બેટા, બરાબર છે? તો આઈ હોપ કે શાંતિથી જોજો, ના સમજાય તો મને પૂછજો.